bathroom, and as you can see, this is how I'm starting my day off. I'm starting my day off, so I got to get ready, and we have to go to the store. But for all the ones that would like to start being a YouTuber or starting a YouTube, this is prime example. Me getting up. This is what we do every day. Now I edit a lot of stuff to, cause we don't need to see just me the back of my head, but it was the way I had to angle my phone, and so I could get like some type of contact. But this is me just getting started, getting myself together, being motivating myself to get up and let's go. So I'm turning around, feeling good about myself. Surely is. I had to go back because I had to find a scarf or something, because y'all know now this is a lace frontal, and Beverly did not feel like spraying on no holding spray on her hair. So I just want to go ahead and put it up and get a scarf around there, and bam, and put the look together, because y'all know I like my little scarves. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just wrapping it around and pulling it around and tying it up, because I just wanted a quick look. So yeah, I'm like, okay, we're gonna do this. I tie it tight so it won't come undone. Okay, so now we in the kitchen, and I'm trying to straighten up, but in the back of my head, like, what I'm gonna cook. So I'm trying to straighten up, because I went to bed last night, but I'm looking in the freezer. I'm like, girl, what you gonna make? What are you gonna cook? Everything is frozen. I don't feel like pulling nothing out to cook. I'm looking in the refrigerator. I see we got plenty of juices and everything. Just trying to gather some things of what to cook. And I know every mother, every woman, and every man go through this. When you're trying to cook for your family, you gotta figure out what to cook. And by the way, y'all, do y'all see my jeans? Them Old Navy jeans. Look how I'm looking in it. Okay, now we in the car. Hello, family. Welcome to my channel. It's just Bev. If you new here, my content is basically about just my life, my daily life, what I daily do, and then I might be showing some things that might interest you. Going to, just basic stuff. It's just my life and what Bev go through on a daily basis. Okay, so I'm feeling a lot better, family. If y'all was praying for me, thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate for the ones that reach out, Norma, and I really do appreciate that, for uplifting me. I appreciate that, because depression is real. It's real in these streets. Everybody has their up and down. There's nothing perfect. Like, nobody is perfect. You understand? And so yeah, I'm feeling a little bit better. As you can see, I was getting myself motivated and up this morning, because I gotta make some breakfast. No, not breakfast. I want to get dinner for my family. So the stuff is frozen in the deep freezer. Now I know somebody in the out there, cause when you got stuff in the freezer, honey, and you want to eat something, I don't got all day to be trying to let that stuff unthaw. So I'm just gonna go to the store and I'm gonna get something quick to eat. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And let's see. I don't even know what I want to cook. Do y'all have that too? Go to the store, you don't really know what you want to cook or whatever. So yeah. So also so that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna go to the store. So, and then you know what? It's somewhere I wanna go peep out real quick. Should we do it? I want to go see if they really doing something. Delaware always got stuff going on out here, but I am over festivals and going to the festivals and stuff. So maybe I should just, it ain't gonna hurt to ride through, right? Maybe we'll do that and then go to the store. What you think? I think we probably, no, should I do it? I don't know.
I'ma do it just to see. We just gonna peep it. I ain't gonna. Should I go? Should I do it or just stick to the phone? You know what? This gonna be a short. No, I don't know. You know, it's somewhere else I need to go to. No, let me go to the store. I got people hungry, so we gotta cook. We gotta stay focused. We gotta stay focused. So let me turn in. Let me find me a parking spot. It's nice out here today. I put my flip-flops on because I like my feet to be like free. I don't like to be my feet be all tied up. So we at the store. Okay. See y'all in the store. Oh, look at this. Oh, look. Caramel apple candies. Ooh, that looks delish. I love apples, but I don't know about all of that. Pumpkin. Oh my God. Ooh.
What about this one?
Oh my God, these things are huge.
$4.99. That's it.
Oh my goodness. You can make pumpkin rice, pumpkin soup. So much stuff you can make with this. Look, she's trying to get to the bottom.
Don't get that one, Taylor. That one's got a weird shape to it.
Look at her.
The one you have.
She is so strong.
You want that?
Oh my God. Little self. All right, we got to stay focused. I got to get dinner. So I think let's go to the meats. We're going to go to the meats. Wait, hold on. We're going to go to the chickens. Okay. Let's see. Let's get some hens. Let's see, I'm thinking about maybe I should just season up some hens and let's see, fresh, what is it? Ready oven hens. Is that Purdue? I don't know. Let me see, that's $9.97. I'm just going to get one and season a whole one. And yeah. Oh, here go one. No, that's too little. I need a bigger one. Let's see. You know what I do? I go all the way to the back. And I be grabbing it because they put the fresher ones in the back. So I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cook this and add something with it. Or yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna make this in the cart. I'm looking for that box. Cause see, don't forget y'all, this is gonna be a quick meal. Even though I'm putting this in the oven, you know, but I'm gonna season it myself, but this is gonna be a quick meal. So I'm trying to find already, I'll be back. I gotta find the box that I'm looking for. So here's what I'm looking for right here. This is what I'm looking for right here, because I'm gonna make this quick with it. I already got vegetables at home, so we're gonna get that. And let's see, I already got salad dressing. All right. Got my chicken. I did a swipe by accident. Should I wait for it? Okay. Pause. All right. I scanned it twice, family, so I had to get this. So I'm getting this because I got vegetables and everything else at home. So we're gonna go ahead and pay for this. What I got? Oh, I only spent $20. I can't believe it. Okay, pay. 0 bags. Because we have to have bags out there. All right, I want y'all to have my card number now. Y'all see I got my fashion, this is Old Navy jeans. See? I got my Old Navy jeans on. We talked about that. All right. Bev is done. And we are out. Till next time.